So hi and hello everyone, this is 𝗀𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗴. Today I am going to introduce about the measuring of BP. What is the right way to measure the BP? So first of all, we should have an instrument that is a BP apparatus. It is also known as a sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is a medical term. This also have a various parts. So let's discuss about the various parts of the sphygmomanometer. First of all, this is a bulb, rubber bulb, and this is a valve, and rubber bulb or valve connected to a rubber tube, and now rubber tube connected with a cuff. This cuff can make a pressure to the subject, and now this rubber tube can here you can see that this connected into the mercury and this part of the scale. So that's why here you can see that this is a locker. We can say that at the 90 degree it can be on, and after that it can be off also. So that's why to measure the BP we should also have an stethoscope. There are two ways actually to measure the BP. The first one is a palpatory method. In palpatory method there is no need of stethoscope, just we can feel the heart rate of the subject near the palm. Okay, so but here we are using the stethoscope. By using stethoscope we can measure the BP by the brachial artery. So first of all, there is a question that what is the value or what is the normal value of the BP? The normal value of the BP is 120/80. Yes, the normal BP is 120/80. What is 120? 120 is systolic pressure. Yes, students are right that 120 is a systolic pressure. Systolic pressure means when the ventricle of the heart contract, then there is a pressure. That pressure is known as a systolic pressure. And diastolic pressure is the pressure when ventricle become relaxed, and that time there is a flow of blood and make a pressure on the artery, and that is known as a diastolic pressure. So normal value of BP is 120/80. So first of all, I am using stethoscope, and after this is a cuff, and first of all we will wrap this cuff on the arm of the subject. Ensure that this cuff should be above of the elbow. And now after wrapping we will ensure that cuff should not be very tightly. And how we can ensure? First of all, you can touch it that it should not be a very tight or very loose. Okay, and then after we will use stethoscope. We will use now stethoscope, and I'm gonna to put this stethoscope on the brachial artery, and now I'll use this stetho, and after putting this stetho by the rubber bulb, I'll make the pressure. Okay, so when I'll push this, then there will be pressure in the cuff by air. Now I have filled the air, and I have made the air about 180, and now I'll slowly open the valve. Near about 120 or below the 120, I'll hear the sound in stethoscope of the heartbeat. Yes, it has been started from near about 170, and I can clearly hear After the 70, it has been disappeared. So the BP of this subject is 117 by 70. So it means that 117 is the systolic pressure and 70 is the diastolic pressure. So we can say that this blood pressure is a normal value. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.